Olivia, what you doing over there? What are you doing?
I'm working.
You're working?
Sit.
Sit. All right. And who are all of these people? Who are all of these? Who's this right here? Who's this?
Monster.
Tigger. And who's this?
Cricket.
Piglet. And who's this?
Two.
And who's this?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened?
The slipper ate off.
Your slipper came off? All right. And who's that one over there?
Huh?
Who's that?
Eeyore.
Eeyore. And
Eeyore.
and who's that one over there?
Peapot.
Teapot.
What is that? Packy.
That's not a monkey. That's an elephant.
I said,
Yep.
And the two.
Yeah. What's that?
Puppy dog.
Puppy dog.
Yeah.
And what's that? That's little Olivia's bear that plays Rock-a-Bye Baby. And she listens to that at night to help her go to sleep.
Let the free.
And who's this baby? Who's this baby right here? Who's that one? Cinderella. Is that Cinderella?
Yeah, dance.
Dance? Are you dancing with Cinderella? Aw, that's cute. Oh my. Are you giving her kisses? Yo, that's nice.
And the foot.
A little hug you're giving her? That's nice. You're a nice girl.
And the three protected. And talk about.
What do you want to talk about?
And the boy.
That's cute.
And the baby dog. Is it?
Aw, that's nice. Are you going to take Pooh for a little ride in the stroller?
Yeah.
You're such a good little, girl. Pooh and a parrot are getting a ride in the stroller.
Ow. Are you rest? And then stay up. And out. And out.
Okay, get Pooh out. Oh dear, I lost her.
Ow. I hurt.
What, baby?
Aw.
What happened?
Mama, here. Look.
He's ripped.
Look.
Aw, that's sad. The bear has a big hole in it. That's sad.
It's sad. Anyway.
Turn around so I can see your bear. Wow, he's cute. You know his name?
Bear.
Yeah, his name is Herman. Herman. You could call him Herman. Alright, well I just wanted to get you because you look so cute today.
Baby.
Oh, you got a baby doll too. And who's in your hand?
Here.
Who's that? What's her name?
Here.
Girls.
Who's that?
What's his name?
Slap.
Shrek. Very cute. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Baby.
An airplane?
Yeah. And here.
Alright, can you sing that song for me? What are you doing with your Pooh?
I love her. I love her.
I love her, I love her, I love her. Sing it. Liv, sing. What's another song? Oh, I know a song. You want to sing I'm wishing love.
And kid.
Yes. To find me
Find me
today.
today.
I'm hoping
I'm hoping
and I'm dreaming of.
a big article.
Can you sing Jesus Loves Me? Jesus loves me. Did you take a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you all clean?
Look.
Hey, show me your curls. Yeah, those are pretty curls. Hey, are you excited about going to America?
Yeah.
You want to go to America?
Yeah. That's a kingdom.
Yeah, Papa and Yingo live in America. And all your cousins, Dolly, cousin Dolly, yes, and Justin. Yeah. Why? Not that other Justin, the little Justin. Justin, your cousin. Yeah. And Amelia? And Joshua? The girls? I guess you might see the girls in America. Huh. Are we going to go to Disney World? You want to go to Disney World? Yeah? Me too. Yes. Zoom. On the airplane. Zoom.
Far away.
Yes, it's very far away. And we have to go on an airplane. You have a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Aww. Is it better? What happened? Tell me what happened.
Outside.
What happened outside?
Outside the room.
Yeah, but what happened outside?
Outside.
Yeah. What happened?
What happened now?
You fell down?
Fell down.
You fell down outside?
Yeah.
Aww.
Put it outside.
It's cold outside?
Yeah.
I think it's hot outside.
Outside.
Yeah, it's too hot outside.
And count. Count.
You want to count?
1, 2, da.
1, 2, what?
Mama,
1, 2.
Mama.
Yeah?
Mama, look.
What?
Here.
Yeah, there's your toys. You want to count to 10?
10.
Yeah, let's count to 10. 1,
1, 2, that's it.
3.
Yay!
3.
No.
No. Alright.
I'm wishing.
Now you want to sing again.
I'm wishing.
I'm wishing for the one I love to find me
Find me
today.
today.
How old are you?
2.
Are you 2?
I'm 2.
How old is Mama?
2. That's it.
26. I'm 27.
2.
I'm 27. I'm not 26.
Then Daddy said 5.
How much is Daddy? How old is Daddy? 28?
28.
Yeah.
Find me today.
To find me today. Who's this? Who is this? Is that Shrek? And what's this?
Choo-choo train.
Your choo-choo train? Uh-oh.
Okay, Mama.
It's okay?
Okay, Mama.
Alright, well, Olivia, can you look at the camera and can you say, bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you, Kima.
Love you.